Hi guys, it's Stephen Henning, aka this is also known as 1001, and I'm gonna tell you an embarrassing story that happened in uh, high school 4 months ago, and I'm gonna tell about it now. And this video actually suggested by my Spanish teacher. He wants to know about how it is going. So I'm also he has a YouTube channel called Spanish with a Foreigner. So if you want to subscribe, if you want to learn Spanish and all that stuff, you can check it out. It's right in the corner right there or there. I don't know which card it is, but so anyway, it happened like today and 4 months ago. So in algebra, which is my uh, first class I ever take I guess, and and most of the part I listen to music all the time during PE, doing everything, like edit my videos every time. But but there's some few mistakes, like someone didn't plug their earbuds in and accidentally the music just blowed up, and that's kind of like something I did. That's what I want to tell you about it today is uh my plug in the ear. I don't know what the title is, but plug in the earbuds thing. I I probably don't know what the title will be, but anyway. So the earbuds I normally use is this. Sometimes I use like wireless earbuds, but I broke them because I thought it will be waterproof, and it's not advertising. So in algebra, we were doing a lesson, and my classmate, I don't want to say any names, but my classmate is like, oh, we heard we heard like piano music or stuff, and we had to find the mystery sound. And my uh, algebra teacher clearly heard anything, like probably heard something else, like something like that. And my algebra teacher goes out of the door, and then we cannot figure out what the mystery sound was. And then she comes into my Spanish teacher's classroom and talked to them, and plus my eyeglasses were broken. Only it's not this glasses, but I'm gonna tell you an example of it because I lost it anyway. Um, of this frame here, like where is the? It's actually the left side, and actually I had to in in the lesson I had to do like this a lot, and yeah, it's way creepier if you see my glasses like this. But yeah, this part is broken, and then my other classmate is trying to fix it, and I'm in my calculator like this, and then when as he walked in, he said, "Is that your computer?" And I was like this. It says yes, and then he said, "Turn it off," and then he walked he walked out, and I did not turn it off because I don't know if my earbuds. It's probably so if you know this part of this earbud is like it has holes in it, put your ear like this. Anyway, I thought my earbud I thought my earbud was loud like that, but actually not. And then my algebra teacher says, "Are you sure this is your computer?" And then I opened my bag. I opened my bag and put my computer, like this is my school computer, and I pull out my computer and I realize my earbud didn't plug in. And that is so embarrassing and really funny. I feel really embarrassed and funny at this feeling. Uh, that was really bad. And I realized that it was so embarrassing. Uh, I'm probably not gonna do that again. I probably had to watch out about how to plug your earbud. That's why I prefer wireless earbuds because I really hate wired earbuds because if you like, and in the hallways, every time I'm in the hallways, I always listen to music like that. And then sometimes my earbud comes off, and then if I forgot to mute it, and actually I forgot to mute the sound I wasn't making. And so yeah, that was so embarrassing. And this morning, I mean not this morning, what the heck? This afternoon was in my seventh period, which is Spanish, and actually my my earbud was plugged in, but my music, which is I did it earlier, is that one's too loud. Like that one's too loud. So that is probably embarrassing, and I shouldn't. I should watch about it, and it's so embarrassing. I feel so embarrassed. Uh, I feel so embarrassed. So anyway, that's an embarrassing story I should tell you guys. And oh, and also in art class, same thing as my previous story. Uh, I didn't hear the music, so it's like this. So my earbud. So I'm gonna take an example. So this is like that, and then my music. I couldn't hear the music, and I realized I checked with my backpack, and I realized because I forgot to plug it in, so I had to plug it in. So that was really embarrassing, and I don't want to do it again. It was so funny. Uh, and my algebra teacher says that it sounds like a carnival music, like the music I was listening to is me playing the Pony What's Beat. Is by someone, and I will link to the video somewhere. uh, uh, and uh, and also the music that I did. I'm going to show you to that and how I did it. And I actually use it on my Chuma versions. I use it on my uh, any video that I use. Like probably you already know that. You probably know what program what I was using, but if you're a new viewer, then I will show you how I did the Chipmunk versions and how I did anything else. So I'm going to show you in about just a minute. So So this is the music that I actually downloaded, and from the Chipmunk versions and everything that I use, it's from here, Voice Changer, and I actually downloaded it. So I downloaded it, and then here's the website it's actually looked like, and I got a comment from someone that says the original pitch of that. I mean, voice changer, uh, I don't really know. There's all of the sounds you could do. The worst one is probably this one or this one. These two are the worst. Like, I'm not getting that. This one's probably the worst. That one, and maybe this one, that's probably the worst one as the most uh because it gets what's I don't know. I'm not a very good music commentator or something like that. But anyway, I use this one. This is a low pitch. That's why the arrows are so down. And this is actually it sounds like. By the way, if your music's too long, might take a while. It don't require video probably, and so that's the music. That is the music that I actually listened to on that class. On that class, like when I put my computer in and my earbud plug wasn't in there, and this is how I listen to it. I'm sorry about your ear drums. About your eardrums. Let's see. There we go. So it sounds like that. It definitely sounds like it, and definitely on. Yeah, you could exit out like that, or you can actually download it. So I'm gonna put it as a Chipmunk version, and I will download it. It will actually save the file on there. So, and plus, if you want to see the video, and so if you want to save your sound, you do is just look at these three dots, and it will say to download. And actually, if you saw of that, you can see. And if you want to rename your music, you have to put the right music you actually download. Like this one is me playing the Pony Wants Be, which is probably, if you've seen the little circle in there, you can see the original video. I did not made the piano one because one, I didn't even know both hands. But anyway, I'm still working on that. I'm still stuck on the verse and the other stuff on the left hand. Actually, in both hands. Actually, I'm trying to do it in both hands, which is like, it's difficult for me. But anyway, practice is just makes perfect. Uh, so yeah, that's the music that I usually use. Uh, but probably one is I just want to study better, but I don't think it will do as much. But you can exit out or something like that. So it says you can create your own custom on effects on Voice Maker. That one, and actually I use it a lot on my earliest videos, like the Living Tombstone, the slow down, and the fast version. And there's the pitches, there's everything you need in here, everything you need in here, all that stuff. That's what I use in my earliest video, my oldest videos that I used on there. So that's all I could. That's the story, and I hope you guys like it. Uh, like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.